You know the x coordinate is. So say this is 1 and 2. What's the x coordinate of 1? The x coordinate is 1. And the y coordinate is 2.
Try to make sure you keep your shoulders relaxed. Your shoulders should be relaxed. Right. Go ahead. Keep your fist at the lower rib.
What?
Right.
1.
Mm-hmm. There you go. That looks better. Your shoulder's not so tense now. Now, let me give me 20 fast ones. One after the other. One left, right, left, right, left, right. Extend all the way. Pull all the way back. There you go. Mm-hmm. Breathe. You want to keep breathing. Now, give me 10 slow, and then you're going to give me 20 fast again. Go ahead. That's 1.
You know about the x and y coordinate.
2.
That's all you need to know to do that.
3.
Because you know that the 180 is diagonal. No matter where it's at.
4.
It's more diagonal. So say if I turn
5.
This is 90.
All right, give me the 10 now.
This is 180.
Go. Fast.
This is 270.
Okay, good.